Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I share lots of delicious homestyle recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. Today though, we are going to be making a really beautiful summer punch. This punch is great for entertaining, it's easy to make, it's easy to drink, it's super delightful and refreshing. So let's get to it. I really love punch. It's really fun, creative drink that you can have, and it's a nice social way to get everyone involved as well. Kids love it too, especially when you're serving non-alcoholic, because they feel like they're having something a little bit special, and it's a nice way to include everyone with a drink that's a little bit different to normal, a little bit fun, and you can get creative with the ingredients that you put in your punch as well. So if you're not a big drinker, you don't have to stand around with the water, have a punch instead. This is a tropical summery punch, so I'm keeping with that kind of vibe today with the colors that I'm using. So let me show you what you're gonna need for this beautiful punch. So I have some fruit mix, and it's just a mixed fruit salad in some juice. We're gonna be using that. I've got some soda here. You can either use soda or you can use lemonade. It depends on how sweet you like your punch. We've also got some ginger ale here, some dry ginger ale, and then I've got some fruit juice. And in Australia, there's this great brand called Golden Circle. They do really delicious, fruity kind of juices. They just taste so amazing. It's making my mouth water and get a bit of tang to it just thinking about it. But I'm gonna put those in my recipe today. And you can kind of just go with the one that you like the most. So if you like the sunshine punch or a golden pash, they've all got different ingredients. So have a look at your supermarket at what one is gonna suit you best. But generally for a summer punch, you wanna try and look for one that's got a bit of pineapple in it, maybe a bit of passion fruit, those sort of really nice tangy flavors. One optional ingredient you can also include if you like it, and that is some fresh mint. I've got a little pot plant growing at the back, so I'm gonna go grab myself some leaves now. But for the full recipe and all of the ingredients, I will leave them in the description box below for you. And for the full recipe, download and print for free, head to lebonbaker.com. Now, if you do get your mint from the garden or from a pot plant, make sure you give it a rinse or a light wash and pat it dry, just because, like me, you might find a little bug on yours. If you are doing punch the traditional way, you'll want to find yourself a punch bowl and a ladle and a couple of nice punch glasses. And if you don't have one of these, don't worry, all you need to do is put it in a nice jug and everyone will be happy anyways. As you can see, I have a giant fish bowl of a punch bowl here happening, and I'm not going to use it all up today because it's just me and my husband at home. So I don't have guests coming over for this particular punch, so I'm not going to do the full one to make it go up to here as what you would if you were entertaining. But anyways, grab yourself some ice, get into a party shirt or a party dress, and let's make this punch. Now that your ice is in your punch bowl, it's just in with all of the other ingredients. So let's do it. Now all of our ingredients are in the bowl. Give it a stir. Make it look pretty. See all of those fruits go dancing in the bowl. And then it's time to have a taste test. Great thing about punch is that you can do it to your own liking. So if you want it more sweet, just add a little bit more lemonade, or if you want it a little bit more tropical fruity, add some more fruit or some more juice. I almost forgot, we have to add in our beautiful mint here. So go, oh, there we go, that one's gone swimming. Sprinkle them in. So fresh. And I think the colors really contrast well with that green and that summer orange color. It looks really, really pretty. So excited for this. Smells beautiful, looks pretty. I'm gonna grab myself some of these mint leaves, throw in. How good. Oh, I nearly forgot. Ice. Here we go. So delightful. That is just so pleasant. Can't stop drinking it. It's really nice, easy to drink, tropical, bit of that ginger coming through. You got the mint and the fruit flavors. This is so good. I'm gonna have to get some people over. Where's the party happening? Obviously here, but it's just with myself at the moment because I've got all of this punch to drink, but maybe I have to invite some friends over. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I really hope that you love this beautiful summer punch and get to enjoy it with your family and your friends this summer. If you do like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell as well because I have a new video coming out every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.